Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you an app that I have been working on that can help you plan and track the capacity of your team. As we all know, managing a team workflows can be a challenging task, but with the right tools, it can be made much easier. That is where this app comes in. This app is designed to make it easy for you to plan your team's workload and track their progress. As you can see on the screen, the app displays the name of the person who is logged and the current week of the month. That are the non-editable values. Next, you have a section with the app functions. There, as you can see, you have a button for load, create new items, save, and also undo changes. And finally, at the bottom of the screen, you have a table where you and your teams can input the hours that you plan to spend on each of the projects this week. This information is then saved to SharePoint, so you can access it whenever you need it. Now let's go and just do like a quick demo of the tool. Again, here is the name of the person who is in on the app and also the current week. Now, usually this button is not visible for the user, but now because this is a live demo, it's there. So when you click load, what's going to do is just load a collection using the SharePoint list that I created. Then the idea is that you and your teams just go here, press on new items. This is going to generate a row, an empty row. And then you can select what is the role. In this case, let's select dev. The project is going to be test 1 or 2, 3. The business unit of the TPO is going to be Mitsugi. And the hours I'm going to spend working on this project is going to be 8 hours. Now, if I want to add another row because I am assigned to another project, just click new item. The role is going to be the same because I am the same person. Test 2, select, let's say I am working with another person, let's say Gauss, and I'm going to add another 8 hours. After I finish with this, the next step is just click save. This is going to save the data into SharePoint. Again, this is it's like a first version of the app. You need to have like a kind of a message here saying that your data is being saved or was saved on the SharePoint. But now, if you go to the SharePoint, well, the data was already there. But if you click refresh, you are going to see the two rows that we just inserted on the app. This one is the test 1, 2, 3, and the test 2. One was with Mitsuki and one was with Gauss. And that's all. Now again, this is the first version of the app, but I have plans to add more features such as preview windows, charts, and more. Well, of course, you need to add them like some notifications and some error handling. But I believe this app will be a great tool for you and your team, and I hope you find it useful as I do. Thank you for watching, and please leave me a comment if you have any feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.